In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable phone number to a Mailchimp email. This is a simple but powerful tweak that makes it easy for your readers to call you with a single tap, especially on mobile devices. We'll do everything right inside the Mailchimp email builder so you can keep your workflow smooth and consistent. Once you're in the email builder, start by placing your phone number where you want it to appear. You can add a new text block from the left panel by dragging a text block into your layout, or you can use an existing text block that's already in your design. Type your phone number exactly as you want it to display to your audience. Many people include their country code for clarity, and you can keep the formatting reader-friendly with spaces or dashes. Mailchimp will make the link work behind the scenes. Now, click on the text block to edit it, then highlight the phone number you just typed. With the number selected, look for the option to add a link in the toolbar. It's typically labeled Add Link or shown as a chain icon. Click that and you'll see link options. Change the link type to phone. This tells Mailchimp to format the link as a tap-to-call action instead of a web URL. In the phone field, enter your phone number just as you want it dialed. Mailchimp will handle the proper link format for you, so you don't need to add anything extra. If your audience spans multiple regions, using a full international format helps ensure the call connects correctly. When you're done, click Save. That's it. The number is now clickable. What you've created is a phone, or tel, link. On smartphones and most tablets, tapping it will open the device's calling app with the number pre-filled, ready to dial. On desktops, behavior can vary, depending on the user's default calling application, but the link will still be recognized as a phone action. A quick note on appearance. Linked text may show an underline or a link color by default. You can adjust the text style within the editor so it matches your design while keeping the link functionality intact. Also, keep your wording clear. If the number is part of a sentence, a sentence. Make sure the surrounding text makes it obvious that tapping will initiate a call. And there you go. You've added a clickable phone number to your Mailchimp email right from the email builder by highlighting the number, choosing Add Link, setting the link type to phone, entering your number, and saving. Simple, fast, and helpful for your readers.